Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to join a clan in Warframe. The easiest way is by opening your chat box and switching to the recruitment chat channel. From here, type a message like "I need to join a clan" or "looking for a clan." For better chances, you can also mention that you are active daily, and you should receive invites fairly quickly. Another way is by opening the main menu. Go to Communication, then select Clan. Choose the option to search for a clan. From here, you can apply filters and request to join any available clans that match your preferences. Another option is to open your web browser, search for the Warframe forums, and scroll down until you find the recruitment section. From there, you can request to join any available clans as well. And that's it. We just learned how to join a clan in Warframe using various methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.